It's our pleasure to recognize partners that innovate work processes, deliver outstanding business results, and most importantly, transform customers' businesses for the better. That's why we created the Business Impact of the Year Award. It gives every one of you the chance to tell your success story, to celebrate the achievements of your employees, and to show what's possible with cutting-edge mobile technology.
The Business Impact of the Year Award recognizes the results of a strong partnership you have built with your customer. We are looking for stories supporting our common mission of empowering organizations and frontline workers with innovative mobile solutions. Like our partner Fieldboss did the last year. They've succeeded in giving a mid-market company a way to compete at the highest levels, thanks to their knowledge of their industry, Dynamics 365, and Resco technology.
Being among the finalists or being the winner itself will bring you greater visibility and highlight your expertise. It will also help you connect and establish your company as a leader in enterprise mobility, creating new and stronger business opportunities in the process. On top of that, the winner will receive 2 complimentary passes for Resco Next 2023, 4,000 euros in market development funds, and other valuable and interesting rewards. We will choose the finalists and the winner based on their creative problem solving and leadership, measurable criteria, project size, unique IP, and customer satisfaction.
We look forward to receiving your inspiring and successful stories of how you made a real impact and delivered meaningful and sustainable changes to your customers with Resco technology. The winner and finalists will be announced on October 6th during the Partner Awards ceremony at Resco Next 2022 in Lisbon. Apply now until September 9 with the link below in the description.